Okay, nice enclosure being printed. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the case is printing. This is a Waveshare 4.3-inch screen, and it's running the fork of GaggiMate that I call GaggiBre. So, if you don't know what it is, this is literally a fork of GaggiMate that can have manual brew pressure control, and then it can be featured on a 4.3-inch rectangular screen for all of you guys that don't like the circle. Now, as you can see, it's resembling the GaggiMate, and it's now completely in sync with the GaggiMate UI. It's not outrageous, it's not my flair or whatever. I'm stepping away from that because it's just annoying and it breaks the system completely a lot of times, especially because I'm not a coder and I'm using AI to do all this stuff. So, you know, bear with me. This is the brew screen, obviously. You know that already. Settings, everything works the same. The back button is missing, so everything that you need to go back is a swipe up, this, shoom, okay, boom, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, and this is the manual screen. You have the graph up here, you have the live readout here, and then you have the adjustment bar here, goes to 12 and goes back to 0. When you click it, the live graph shows what you're doing. There we go. Let it bloom, yada yada, do whatever you need. Obviously nothing is here connected, nothing is showing, but that's the whole gist of it. You can do that, and then when you stop with your shot and you do everything that you kind of are watching what the machine does, you can choose to save it, and then you can rename it afterwards. And that's about it. What do you think? How we doing? GaggiBre. Is vibe coding something you're against? Or you don't care? Hey, I don't care. I'm just having fun. I'm wasting time and money on this, but it's fun.